Congratulations on making your fleet safer and more efficient with your new vehicle gateway. Getting set up is simple, and we'll walk you through every step of the way today. We'll go over connecting, mounting, and initializing your device. Inside your box, you'll find the installation manual, vehicle gateway, zip ties, and alcohol swab. The appropriate cables should have been shipped separately and will match your vehicle's unique configuration. Let's get you started and get you back on the road. Before we dig in, make sure that a vehicle gateway is assigned to the vehicle you'll be installing in. Log in to the Motive Fleet dashboard and click on the admin icon from the bottom left corner. Under the Organization module, select Vehicles from the side menu. If you have previously added vehicles for your company, you may want to click on 3 dots in front of the vehicle you want and then select View Vehicle from the drop-down menu. Once selected, you can edit the existing details there. If you want to add a new vehicle, click the Add Vehicle button on the top right corner. Under the General section, fill in the required details on the new page. Then scroll down to the Devices section and click on the Assign button for Vehicle Gateway. Select the correct vehicle gateway from the prompt list that appears. You can also enter the serial number into the search bar field to narrow your search, and click on Assign to proceed. Note: each vehicle gateway has a unique serial number printed on the bottom of the device. Finally, click on Save in the top right corner. Please note, you can also use the Motive Fleet app to install and assign the vehicle gateway. To learn more about installing the vehicle gateway using the Motive Fleet app, visit the Motive Help Center. How to install and verify the vehicle gateway using the Fleet app. Before you begin installing, make sure to turn off the vehicle and engage the parking brake. The first step is to determine if you want the vehicle gateway to be visible or hidden. Available locations vary depending on your specific vehicle. Some locations that may work include on the dashboard, behind the diagnostic port, above the glove box, and behind the multimedia screen. Once you've decided on the location, you'll need to determine the type of connection. Locate the OBD-II diagnostic port, which is typically found to the left of the footwell and may be hidden behind a removable plastic panel for direct connections. Plug the OBD-II end of the cable directly into the vehicle's diagnostic port. If you wish to do a covert installation or want to leave the OBD-II port accessible, you'll want to use the Y-splitter cable. Unscrew the diagnostic port. Connect the original port to one end of the Y cable and screw the other end back into the original port location. Now that your cable is plugged into the diagnostic port, insert the 15-pin connector into the corresponding port on the vehicle gateway and secure it with the thumb screws. The LED lights will turn on to show that the vehicle gateway is connected to the vehicle. Remove the backing from the adhesive strips on the back of the vehicle gateway and mount to the desired location. Use the included zip ties to route the cables and keep everything tidy. Remove the panel covering the diagnostics and other electronics. Route the cable from the diagnostic port to the mounting area. Connect the 15 connector to the vehicle gateway and secure it with the thumb screws. If you're installing a dash cam, now is a good time to do that. Before replacing the panel, secure the vehicle gateway and cable using the adhesive strips and zip ties, and remember to reattach the panel. Now that you're fully on board, fleet managers can contract the vehicle by logging into the Fleet View on the Motive Fleet dashboard. Locate the name of your vehicle. By using the Live section or the search box, you can select the vehicle to access its live location. Follow mode, detailed info, and trip history. You can also access this information on the Motive Fleet app. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. For more videos on Motive products, visit the Motive Help Center.